In previous lecture, we introduced the JavaScript. Then now we are going history of JavaScript, like evaluation of JavaScript. Internet started with a browser the called Mosaic and a scripting language called ECMA. ECMA is nothing but ECMAScript. ECMA is nothing but European Computer Manufacturer Association. Initially, the internet started with a browser like a Mosaic, and the first script is like with the help of ECMAScript it will be done. In 1994, Netscape Communication developed a browser called Netscape Communicator. So in 1994, Netscape Communication developed a browser called Netscape Communicator. In 1996, JavaScript developed by Brendan Eich at Netscape Corporation. So in 1994, Netscape Communicator is one of the browser is developed by Netscape Communication, and in 1996 JavaScript developed by the Brendan Eich at Netscape Communicator. And earlierly this JavaScript was named, earlierly we called Mocha, and later it is converted with a LiveScript. It was changed by LiveScript. And in 1996 to 1997, this Netscape is moved to Sun Microsystem, right now Oracle, right? And maintaining this Netscape is maintained by Sun Microsystems, and the LiveScript is changed to JavaScript. Who changed? Then in 1996 to 1997, the Sun Microsystem was overtaken by this Netscape Corporation, and they changed LiveScript to JavaScript. And JavaScript follows ECMA standards. Already we know that JavaScript follows ECMAScript. It follows ECMAScript. JavaScript versions named like ES5, ES6, and ECMAScript ES5, ES6, ES7, like 8. Based on that, it will be the developed. JavaScript is used with HTML and manipulate the DOM. DOM is nothing but document object model. In a further lecture, we discuss that. JavaScript is used for client-side validation and handling interactions. And JavaScript take care of client-side validation, so it reduces the burden on server. When the client-side validation is done at client-side, the automatically server is not responsible for client-side validation. The JavaScript is reduce the burden on server. The JavaScript is a dynamic language which is used for designing the web page on the client side. And the JavaScript is a case sensitive. Just you mind it that it is a case sensitive, means time and this time, and I am taking time. Suppose I am taking 3 variables. These 3 are different as per JavaScript. The capitalized time, and one capitalized word time, and all small cases time, all are different as per JavaScript. Why? Because it is an untyped language, right? It holds any type of values, and what also versions are available, right? When the JavaScript starts like in 1997, ES1, and ES2 98, 5. ES5 means 2015. These are the versions. JavaScript used with the various technologies, right? So one is HTML. So we consider HTML, and we consider like CSS and Node.js, and MongoDB, and we consider Flash based on HTML, right? With the help of JavaScript, we can make a static DOM into dynamic DOM. So with the help of this one JavaScript, we can do client-side validations, client-side interactions, and with the CSS, with the help of JavaScript, a dynamic control effects, and we do accuracy in animation. And with the help of Node.js, we do server-side programming and handling request response, HTTP request, and handling static files, and we do parsing also. And with the help of MongoDB, what we do, so we can do database queries, and we will be do data manipulations. And with the help of Flash, we can control and create 2D and 3D animations. So here I revert this. So with the help of JavaScript, we may create a static DOM into dynamic DOM, and we can do the client side validation, form validation, and client side interaction we can do. And with the help of CSS, with the help of JavaScript, we works on CSS also. We can control dynamic effects, and we may control animation, accurate animations we do. And with the help of Node.js, server side programming language we done, like we can handle the files, and we can done the HTTP requests. And with the help of MongoDB, we write the database queries, and we can manipulate the data, means we can create the database and we can delete and update. So we can do the, with the MongoDB, we can done the CRUD operations. So we can create and update, read and delete CRUD operations. In a further lectures, we discuss this CRUD operations. With the help of JavaScript, we work in Flash also. We can control and create 2D and 3D animations. So with the help of JavaScript, obviously we can work like a full stack developer. If you know the JavaScript, definitely you will be survive as a full stack developer, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.